According to new documents from the UK Health and Security Agency, national measures need to be brought in by December 18 to combat the fast-spreading Omicron strain. The document reads, "The key point is that under a range of plausible scenarios, stringent action is needed on or before December 18, 2021 if doubling times of the coronavirus variant stay at 2.5 days. Even if doubling times rise to around 5 days, stringent action is likely still needed in December." The report adds, "The rapid spread of Omicron means that action to limit pressures on the health system might have to come earlier than intuition suggests." Calculations in the document suggest even if Omicron causes a less severe hospitalization rate of 1% or 0.5% compared with Delta's 1.5%, then stringent national measures would be needed by December 18. Mr. Javid has already indicated Omicron cases could reach a staggering 1 million by the end of December. COVID Plan B begins today. Every new rule explained. See the latest COVID vaccine stats below and visit in your area for all the COVID vaccine latest, the Health Secretary told the House of Commons this week. The UK Health Security Agency estimates that the number of infections are approximately 20 times higher than the number of confirmed cases, and so the current number of infections is probably closer to 10,000. UKSA also estimate that at the current observed doubling rate of between 2.5 and 3 days. The documents reveal on the current trajectory of 2.5 days doubling time, and without further restrictions, Omicron cases could be at 248,000 cases a day by December 19. The documents paint a bitter yet similar picture to last year, when the government was forced to cancel plans that allowed families and friends to mix on December 25, just days before. Could Christmas plans be affected by new restrictions? The document does not put into words what measures would be needed to curb further spread of Omicron, but the next steps could be to put restrictions on indoor socializing or hospitality venues, all of which could affect upcoming Christmas plans if the government heeds the advice found in the documents. Another 448 cases of Omicron have been detected in the UK, bringing the total cases to 1,265. The UK has also recorded its highest number of daily cases since the January lockdown, with 58,194 cases on Friday. COVID warning as 2 jabs less effective against Omicron than Delta, Insight. 6 million patients waiting for routine operations on NHS, report COVID horror as another new variant discovered in France, Insight. Another recent report by the UKSA has shown 3 rounds of a coronavirus vaccine are the most effective at fighting the strain. The early analysis shows the variant is reducing vaccine effectiveness, but a booster jab can rebuild immunity lost since the first 2 rounds were completed. The news comes after Boris Johnson brought in Plan B measures, which include vaccine passports and a working-from-home order, as well as face masks in a variety of indoor public settings. Mr. Johnson told the Downing Street press conference on Wednesday, December 8, "It has become increasingly clear that Omicron is growing much faster than the previous Delta variant and is spreading rapidly all around the world." A government spokesperson said, "There are no plans for further restrictions. Plan B is the proportionate approach given what we know at this stage about the Omicron variant. The government will continue to look closely at all the emerging data and will keep our measures under review as we learn more about this variant." But the government has already begun updating its advice for care homes in England, bringing in limits on the number of visitors allowed per resident and daily testing. Similar measures have been brought in Wales.